everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are at Cat Camp. Welcome back to another summer vlog. Woo! Eat 'em up, eat 'em up, eat 'em up. This is Connor, my Cat Camp bestie. Oh, never mind. This is Stephanie, this is Chandel, my Cat Camp besties. Hey. Hey. Okay, so I literally haven't vlogged anything besides like the beginning of Cat Camp and then when all the campers got there, so I'm gonna vlog a lot more tomorrow. I'm in my dorm. I have to shower. My hair looks cray cray. My voice is so low because I think I'm losing my voice, which sucks because like on the first day. Okay, so my roommate walked in when I was vlogging. So this is me. This is the fit. Yeah, I'm about to go to bed. This is the dorm. This is my bed. I just took a shower. It kind of looks grossy gross, TBH. My sheets are all wrinkled because I just don't really know how to fold a fitted sheet. Somebody teach me. Anyway, and then the bathroom's out there. I'm gonna go to bed. Good night, melon heads. See you for day 2. Art school is the school of my dream. Bye. Say hey! These are my campers! Guys, we're at the river. It's me and Steph. This towel on my head makes me look like a Whoville. Gabby, say hey! Hey fam! It's for my YouTube channel. This is everyone. We all had a fun time at the river. Yes, we did. Did we, Steph? Where'd you go? She ran away.
Vlog?
Yes, say hi to the vlog.
Oh my god, I'm a new melon head.
Melon head alert! Hey guys! So good. Say hey, these are my campers. Hey. That's Isaac. Isaac! Hey guys, it's me and Zoe, my partner. We're eating lunch. I had a corn dog, but I ate it. I got a corn dog and pizza and fries. Okay, now we are all in our groups and we're actually taking those 8-minute power naps.
Are you YouTubing this?
Yes, I'm YouTubing this.
It's hard.
Face, woo!
Hey.
Our winner for Search for the Missing Seal is Camp Monroe!
Okay, hey guys, we're at the Cat Camp all-nighter. We're staying up all night. What time is it, Connor?
I don't know.
Oh, it's like
I
4 in the
don't got my
morning.
phone.
Hey, who's got the time? What time is it?
4:18.
4:18 in the morning. And
Say hi to the vlog.
say hey. Alright, good morning. I took a 30-minute nap after this all-nighter and it's like 7:40. I'm kind of late for the meeting. Not like late, but the meeting's 7:45 at 7:43. This is the fit.
I'm wearing Gryffindor socks because it's like kind of school colors. Shout out to my boyf, the boyf. Anyway, he got me these socks. Isn't that cute? So sweet. Anyway. Happy birthday to you. Put your cap up! Put your cap up! Put your cap up!
So cat camp is over, but I had so much fun, and we're gonna do more stuff the week back, like before, like the week of moving. I don't know. Anyway, I had so much fun this summer being a connection leader. Basically, I'm single-handedly bringing back the stanky leg. Not to brag. So that's the end of this video. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. I love you guys so much. Mwah. Bye. Bye. Like Roblox? Okay, bye.